Hello, welcome everyone on my another video. Today I show you a review for this Pojifi gamepad. It's wireless gamepad controller for Nintendo Switch. This is the box and from China. I don't know in Chinese, I don't understand, but here is the buttons with Lucky. Here's the logo Pojifi, that's the brand. This is the box, and we should open the box. Okay. Box, and we have here the case for the gamepad. It looks very nice, and it's the good quality, like this. It's very good quality. We open it. Okay, we have here this, and we have here the gamepad. The gamepad is lovely. Here is the button one. It's a magnet, so we just can have this. Looks good. Here we have another bit of this. Here we have the long or the small ones, or another small. This is all of it. One of these, one of these, and one of these. Okay, this is all. Wait, and I show you another. Okay, I'm back, and looks the head is. And look, this is beautiful head, and this is beautiful. This is here, and this wig is too much big for me, and I don't know, look. But when you're playing the game where you need it that big, then it's okay. Look, you can also, you don't need that. Look, you can manage this, but that is no. big is too big for me. And we put it. We have here instructions. Pojifi, but it's in Chinese. I don't understand it. Here's English, okay. And description. That is a big instructions. Look. And it's okay. It's instructions, and we have on the gamepad the slowly pushing this button. That's no like I show you, right? Okay, I am again back. Here is my old PC controller. Here's the button. Can you hear it? It's very loud. But this is nice. It's not, it is a little bit loud, but it's okay, and it's good quality, like this. Look, you hear anything? No. You hear anything? Little bit, and wait. And here is the controller number 3. Listen. It's loud. So this is number 1, number 2, and number 3. That is the quality of the controller. Okay, here is the switch control. This is very modern and looks nice. You switch it on and it's green. It has USB-C cable and this is on the racing games, like steering wheel, like this. You just push it left and right. It also can be out. It's magnet, like anything else. Here we have a nice buttons, and this, and vibration is very nice. And this is the controller. This is the manual. This is the game. This is the box. Okay, that's all what I show you for this video with this Pojifi Nintendo Switch controller. See you next time. Bye.